All right, guys. So I have the setup right here in front of me. Right here, this is my old microphone, and over here, this is the new one. So right now, I'm using the old one to talk right now. So after in a little bit, I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna use this one over here. And I want to know, I want to let you guys gonna tell me which one is better, or you're gonna determine that. But okay, so I'm gonna turn off the old one, and I'll turn on the new one. Okay, how is it now? Is it any better? So this microphone itself, I think it's $34, but right now they got a 20% uh, coupon or discount if you apply to it. I think for the price is not bad at all. For my old microphone, I think I spent like $80, and this one is $34, and with 20% off, you get more saving as well. And I think with just if you're just gonna do YouTube podcast, I think this would be a lot of savings right there, and it doesn't take up a lot of space in the color. It changes color as well, and I think it's pretty neat. So I'll list everything in the description parts. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But right now, I'm gonna go back to my old one and let's see if you guys know the difference. Okay, so right now I'm back on the old one already. So again, if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love it, make sure you subscribe. Right here, I'm gonna make that video coming up. Right now, they're having special promotions right now with the Rigid. And if you guys follow my channel, you guys know that I love Rigid because of the lifetime warranty on the service agreement. So other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.